Hi children, today we're going to read a Peppa Pig book called George's Hiccups. It's from the amazing Peppa Pig collection which contains 50 Peppa storybooks. Subscribe to my channel, press that button below and follow me. We'll find so many books that I've read from this amazing collection. I also have other books like Hey Dougie books, Bluey books, I've got Lift the Flap books, pop-up books. I've got so many books in my collection. I've got the biggest collection in the world. So do subscribe, do follow and check out my other videos as well. Now let's begin. George's Hiccups. Peppa and George are having breakfast. George, don't drink your juice too quickly, warns Daddy Pig, but George gulps down his juice. Hee hee, now George has the hiccups, says Peppa. George's hiccups won't stop, not even when he goes outside to play. I know how to cure hiccups, George, says Peppa, but you must do exactly what I say. Rub your head and tummy, says Peppa, and jump up and down on one leg. George rubs his head and tummy and jumps on one leg. George hiccups again. I know another way to cure hiccups, says Peppa. Wave your arms and stick your tongue out. George does exactly what Peppa says, but the hiccups still don't stop. Try closing your eyes and spinning around quickly, says Peppa. 3 times. George closes his eyes and spins around quickly. 1, 2, 3. But he gets dizzy and falls over. Try to stop your hiccups. To try to stop your hiccups, I'm going to surprise you, says Peppa. Remember, George, this is just pretend surprising. It's only a game to stop your hiccups. George nods. Peppa jumps up and down, flaps her arms and sticks her tongue out. Then she makes a very loud noise. Boo! George starts to cry. Wah! Peppa, you mustn't play so roughly with George, says Mummy Pig. He's only little. Sorry, Mummy, says Peppa, but look, I've cured George's hiccups. Daddy Pig brings out some glasses of juice. Peppa and George take one each. George, cries Mummy Pig, if you drink too quickly, you will get hiccups again. I'm not as little as George, says Peppa, so I can drink as quickly as I want to. Peppa gulps down all her juice. Suddenly, Peppa starts to hiccup. George hiccups have gone, but now Peppa has hiccups. George giggles, hee hee. Mummy and Daddy Pig giggle, hee hee. Peppa giggles too, hee hee. The end. Hope you enjoyed that. That was George's Hiccups. Subscribe to my channel. Press that button below and follow me. We'll find even more Peppa Pig books in my collection. You can check out the previous books that I've read from this collection. I've got so many, so do check them all out and follow. Bye-bye for now.